Lines are seldom long here, making it a good place to head if you've got a kid who's itching to ride something and do it now. It's also something to do while you're waiting for your friends to ride Splash Mountain. If you don't want to sit in the back row, ask the cast member at the loading area if you can wait to get in the front row of the next vehicle. Pooh loves honey, but he doesn't know how to spell it. If anyone is getting bored, have them count the number of places it's misspelled during the ride. For Winnie the Pooh souvenirs, the best place to buy them is at the Pooh Corner gift shop located near the ride exit. If you love Pooh but don't want to lug your purchase around for the rest of the day, use the package checking service and pick them up as you leave. You can see all the Disneyland rides at a glance on the Disneyland ride sheet. While you're thinking about rides, you should also download our recommended Disneyland apps, they're all free, and get some proven tips to minimize your Disneyland wait time.